Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cordova from Apache, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Go to the official Node.js website to download the latest version. Select the installer for your operating system and run the setup. Follow the prompts to complete the installation of Node.js. Once installed, open your command line interface. For Windows, this is Command Prompt. For Mac, use Terminal. To verify the installation, type Node V and press Enter. You should see the version number of Node.js displayed. Next, install Cordova globally using npm. Type npm install Cordova and press Enter. This command will download and install Cordova on your system. After the installation is complete, you can verify it by typing Cordova V in the command line. If the installation was successful, you'll see the version number of Cordova. Now, create a new directory for your Cordova projects. Use the command mdir my Cordova projects to create the folder. Navigate to your new directory using the command cd my Cordova projects. To start a new Cordova project, type Cordova create my app. Replace my app with your desired project name. This command will generate a basic Cordova project skeleton. Next, navigate into your new project directory with cd my app. Now, add platforms to your project. For example, to add Android support, type Cordova platform add Android. Alternatively, for iOS support, type Cordova platform add iOS. You can add multiple platforms depending on your needs. Now you are ready to build your project. Type Cordova build in the command line. This command compiles the project for the platforms you have added. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.